My name is Shinil To, and my major is Information System in Hoyt University. And I'm going to give you a presentation about PSM and outcomes and how the KPSM will be. So I'll let you know, guys, what the PSM, schemely, and PSM program and outcomes statistically, and my thought of KPSM and history of PSM. The PSM initiative began in 1997 with funding from the Alfred P. Salon Foundation to support the establishment of program in the nature science and mathematics at the research institutions. In 2001, the Sloan Foundation grant to the CGS, aka Council of Graduate Schools, extended the PSM initiative to master-focused institutions. In 2006, CGS assumed the primary responsibility for supporting and expanding the PSM degrees with the goal of making it a regular feature of United States graduate educations. As of September 2013, 302 programs from 134 institutions were recognized as PSMs. And what the PSM degree is? The PSM is an innovative graduate degree designed to allow you pursue advanced training and excel in science without PhD, while developing highly valued business skills without an MBA. PSM program prepare you for science career in business and government or non-profit organizations, where workforce needs are increasing. The program are characterized by Science Plus, combining the studies in science or mathematics with a skill based on coursework in management or policy or law. And they mostly require final project and team experiences as well as real-world internships. And PSM program emphasize writing and communication skills like written and verbal, and leadership skills and team building skills and computing skills and so on. And here's a field of PSM program in the States. The programs were grouped into 10 fields of study usually, and the distribution of PSM program by field of study is showing like this. The biological science include biotech, bioinformatics, and computer themes in biology, and medical related science comprise 37% of all PSM programs among the entire programs, and the rest of them like 63%. And as shown this chart, PSM program in mathematics and statistics received more applications than programs in other fields in the study, constituting 39% of all applications received for all 2013. PSM program in biotech generated 60% of all applications for the fall 2013, and computer information science generated 14% of all applications for fall 2013. And environmental science and natural resources and medical related science and other interdisciplinary science and other biological science comprised like 8 and 6 5% of all applications received for fall 2013. And mathematics and statistics program accounted for the largest percentage, like 27% of accepted applications among the 10 fields of studies, followed by computer information science, 17%, and biotech, 17%, and environmental science and natural resources, 11%, other interdisciplinary science, 7%, and medical related science, 6%, and other biological science, like 6% of all accepted applications. And total enrollment of PSM in the fall 2013, as it reported, was dominated by 4 fields of study. Like more like 65% of all PSM students were pursuing degrees in computer and information science as 21%, and environmental science and nature resources like 15%, and mathematics and statistics 50%, and biotech it's like 14%. So total enrollment in the 6 remaining field of comprised 2/3, more like 35% of PSM as in fall 2014. And now let's find out the outcomes of PSM in the States. And the respondents are PSM alumni having a full-time jobs and are taking courses with having part-time jobs in the States. More than one half, like 59.4% of respondents enrolled in fall 2012 were in the field of life science, and next common program of study were computer and information science, and mathematics and earth environmental science, like computing all the percentages, like 18.7%, 9.1%, and 8.7% of all enrollment of the program. And the respondents were given a list of 15 topics, often covered in PSM program, and were asked select those which were covered in their specific program. And as illustrated in this graph, the most commonly reported skills include technical and scientific 88.1%, and project management 68.5%, and R&D is 66.2%, and leadership 61.6%, and others like and so on, like 50.2 for communications and so on. And the survey respondents indicated high levels of satisfactions. As you can see, more like 87%, but the least one was like more than 50%, like 72.1%. So most likely the the people who take PSM programs, they quite happy with it. So, and I think this will be a hot potato for us, the salaries. When I look at these bars, it was so random. I mean, 2013. As you can see, like 2011 and 2010, it gives us more like normal curves. But the 2013, it's different. It's more like, it's it looks like curve, but it's getting flat. The interesting thing is that the bars, I mean, the percentage, like I said, the percentages of the bar is getting flat. So I believe the PSM doesn't guarantee your salaries, which means if you can get like really low salaries, but I mean, in other hand, if you work hard and you can get easily like how to say in English, like how you can get 억대 연봉, right? 억대 연봉, and like it's like $100,000, but it's really high. It's like 11.4%. It's more like 11 people out of 100 people. So we must doing our things hard. So okay, the benefits of PSM degrees. The most common side benefits were that they acquire specific skills and knowledge. 88% learned more about something of particular interest. 52.5% and increased opportunity for promotions and achievement and play is 46.6%. And the quality of scientific and mathematical training and internship and real-world practical experience and quality of non-scientific professional trainings are maybe highly valuable to PSM attributes. But and for now, KPSM. Actually, I tried to find data from like Googling or stuff like that, neighboring, whatever it is, but that's lack of information, because the KPSM is what are we doing right now? So it just started, so there is not that much of information. So here's two pictures what I got here. Anyone know this? If you take the highway and go to Gyeongju, and you can see that building. Isn't it cool? And if you take trains, then go to Jeonju, and because that building, Jeonju Station, isn't it beautiful? I really love that building. The reason why I love that building is it's just like it just looks like Korean traditional buildings. But what's in them? I mean, what are they made of? Like wood? Like giwajangs? No. It should be like concrete or like reinforced concrete. Which means it looks like traditional buildings, but it made of new kind of things of materials, not the traditional things. So I believe this may be the perfect example of what we need to be. What I mean is we need to get the knowledge, like highland. I mean, the efficient and effective knowledge for this PSM program in deep inside of us. But we have to act and do things, our own things. Do things to our own things. I mean, it's gotta be in us, but we have to express in our own things. I mean, the unique things. So then, it'll be true meaning of KPSM. While I researched for this presentations, I'm kind of figure something unique. I'm kind of figure some unique things out. The thing is, many PSM program in the States are like biotech or like computer information things, right? But look at us, what we are doing. We are doing like smart city. I didn't see smart city in the States. I didn't see anything about city in the PSM program. So we are actually doing the new things, like unique things. So all we gotta do is do our best and be the best one. And go out there and show our abilities for the PSM program. What was it? Oh, I'm kind of lost, sorry. Go out there and show our abilities for the people who actually don't know what the PSM is. So, and I'm strongly believe that our PSM program will make huge success. So the PSM program is growing and getting bigger, but it is still new. So I know it's hard to make sure things, but there is huge potential of what we are doing. I mean, well, what are we in? We are in unique field, like smart city, as I told you. So the later happens. I mean, the future will be on us. Therefore, all we are learning and doing things will be the part of history in the PSM program. So let's keep up and don't regret and do the best shot. So then the future will be bright and brighter. Thank you.